everyone. Today we are going to see how to prepare chicken kabab. Come, let's see. Now we can take a bowl and add a chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, and corn flour, salt as per the taste, curd to it, ginger garlic paste, now we can add oil to it, pinch of sugar, and little bit of black pepper powder, and we can mix it all together properly. Now we can add the chicken piece to it and marinate it properly and rest it for 30 minutes. Now in a kadai, we can heat a oil, and once the oil is heated, we can put the marinated chicken pieces into it and cook it in a medium flame 4 to 5 minutes each side. In this stage, we can flip the chicken pieces to the other side and cook it for another 5 minutes. After 10 minutes of cooking, we can remove the chicken from the oil. If it is a non-stick pan, it will be a little more better. Thanks for watching the video. Please share your valuable feedbacks in comments. And thank you.